Hey, maybe you are going to install your new Ubuntu software or operating system on your computer. Let's see how to do it using a pendrive that you can bootable or make a perfect one to go for the next step for your activities. Let's see. Just simply go to the browser, any browser you do have on your computer, and then type Ubuntu download. Yes, this one. So after clicking this one or selecting this one, first of all, go to download Ubuntu desktop. You don't need to be worried about anything. Just please check the description of this video. You'll get the link. Okay, so after going here, just simply click on download. No, do not do that. Please check the versions. Okay, so here are the versions of Ubuntu. From here you can select your desired version as per your requirement. Just I'm going to click this click here to download this version 24.0 4.2 LTS. Then simply click on download and wait for 2 to 3 seconds. After waiting here, there will be an option like your download file is ready here. That means the file you would love to download. Select the storage where you want to save this one. Just simply click on save. So immediately it will start downloading, and I am not going to download it again as I have already downloaded the file, to show you the perfect way. And then all you need to do, just download another software from the same place, Rafas, and I have already shared you the link in the description below. Please check this one. So go to Rafas and then scroll down. Yes, here is the Rafas version, and follow from here. Just select this one, okay, and then close. So immediately it will be started. We are not going to, okay, so it will take not so long. As you may see, the file size is 2 MB only. So all done. Now you need to insert your pen drive on your computer using which one you can make your computer perfect for your use. Just simply go for it. I have inserted a pen drive. Okay, so simply go to download and then go for this one, Rafas. Yes, wait for a moment. So before starting, I'd love to say you that Ubuntu download will take a bit time, so we have to wait for that one. Let's see. Here you can see the Rafas. Okay, just wait and click here. Yes. Do you want to? No, we do not need to take this one. Okay, so as you can see, your pen drive is already selected. You don't need to be worried about that one. But before going for this process, you have to make sure that your pen drive has no data, and it can be formatted, because your pen drive will be erased, or the data from your pen drive will be erased. So boot selection, after getting your files, that means after getting those files back up, go for the selection and then select the downloaded file that you have already downloaded. Just simply double click on it, and do not need to be worried about anything. No need any change from here. Just simply you can change the name if you would love to do, or if you don't, then you don't need to be worried about. So I am going to say Ubuntu OS. Okay, and then simply click on start. Okay, okay. So it says that your files will be erased, and your pen drive will be formatted. Wait for a moment. It will take not more than 5 minutes, I guess, based on your computer compatibility. It will go for the process, and wait for that moment. We're going to pause this video. Okay, 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 okay. Maybe we don't need to wait for that long time. What I have already mentioned. Tantana, yes, it's done, and do not need to think about anything. Just simply close this one. Okay, your file is ready to go for the next step. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you, and I hope you have got the final one that you thought. So let's go for that one. Okay, let's go for the next step. So this is what you need to do, and I will share you another video where you can make your pen drive perfect. That means where you can go for the next step to install your Ubuntu. This is the guide to show you how you can make a pen drive bootable using Ubuntu and Rafas. So thank you so much for watching. And if there is any uh, problem or issue, difficulties that you are facing, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. I'll try to give you the update as early as possible. Thank you.